Here comes your pre-market summary for Tuesday, February 28th. Futures trying to hold on to positive territory here, looking to bounce back after a wild ride yesterday. We end the session back in negative territory right across the board, but we are still holding on to a slight gain. Here's how things are setting up right now. 0.35 for the S&P, the Dow, 0.25%, about half right now. For the NASDAQ, trying to lead once again, as we saw yesterday, late day strength coming through. It was the NASDAQ 100 yesterday, the big ones that showed the most relative strength. Crude oil back to the upside today as well, 1.8%. 0.37 there for Bitcoin, 0.8 for Ethereum, adding to pretty solid day on Monday. There's a look at the overall market, S&P 500 anyways, this is the SPY. As I mentioned, we did come off fairly heavily late in the day yesterday to form a red candle on the daily time frame, but we did hold above where we ended on Friday. Same story for the NASDAQ. My chart a little bit laggy this morning, but yields back to the upside this morning as well down here. Interest rates creeping higher, the dollar creeping higher as well. So we'll see if some of these gains continue to hold. Zoom shares on watch here. Nice look for Zoom back to the upside. Number of brokerages with positive notes this morning. Couple of price target increases as well after better than expected forecast for ZM. We'll also talk about Target here coming up. Surprise rise in Q4 sales as well. The holiday quarter, key holiday quarter for TGT, back to the upside this morning for them. Tesla back on watch as well. Nice look here, pre-market, extending gains from Monday. Despite data that showed a slight decline in Chinese sales of the automaker's cars. So we'll have a look at Tesla as well. Big move yesterday. Well discussed here late in the day on the show for AMC. Shares continuing to move higher after a judge set an April hearing date for their ongoing shareholder case. The shareholder vote, however, is still going to take place in March. NCLH coming through, Norwegian, with pointing to higher costs in their report. Fuel really a problem for some of these cruise operators. So Norwegian downside to the tune of about 5% so far this morning. Meta came across late in the day yesterday with this note. They're going to build an AI-focused team to develop AI products specifically. Meta back to the upside on that. And an SEC issued subpoena coming through from Robinhood. That was after the close yesterday. This is all tied back to the FTX mess. So we'll have a look at Robinhood. This one as well, this intelligent living company, iLag, moving around this morning. We'll discuss that. Grab the watch list, guys. Use that QR code on screen right now. The Conference Board consumer confidence data coming up at 10 o'clock this morning. That's going to be an interesting number that could move the market. We'll see you shortly on TraderTV.Live.